How to fix Spotify Wrap not showing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can fix it. The first one is by opening our phone settings, and then in here we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this apps option. After that, select on the manage apps option, and then in here we'll have to search for the Spotify application. And then after that, simply tap on this one, and then in here tap on this storage option. And then at the bottom, tap on this clear data and then tap on clear cache. After that, tap on OK. So we're doing this to refresh our Spotify application. If this option doesn't fix the problem, the next thing that you can do is by going to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then in here we'll have to search for the Spotify application. So we're doing this to make sure that we are using the latest version of the Spotify app. If it says here update, just simply update the app. After doing that, if it did not fix the problem, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall the app. To do that, we'll have to tap and hold on the app, and then in here tap on this delete icon. After that, tap on this uninstall option. Once you're done uninstalling the Spotify app, the next thing that you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and then simply reinstall the Spotify application. So those are the ways on how you can fix Spotify Wrap not showing. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.